This is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course of Python. Now we will be having another example that will show you how we people can have a lambda function as an argument to some other function.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Okay. Or what we can do is we can also return a lambda function back to the calling location. Let me show you an example. This is a function def sample num. Sample is a normal function. Here I am writing return. In the return statement I am writing lambda a colon, then num into a and some hypothetical expression. Okay, so this is the driver, the main location of the program. The program will start from here. Here we have written var is equal to sample5. Now what will happen is there is a variable var. It is being assigned this call of the sample function because we are passing 5. This value 5 will go into this formal parameter num. So far so good. But actually what will happen is actually this function will be called when you write print var within bracket 10. Now var has been assigned the call of the function sample. Here it may look like that because var is representing sample, it may look like this 10 value will go into num. No, num has already been assigned the value 5. So where this 10 value will go? It will go into the argument of our lambda function, which is anonymous and without any name. This 10 value will go into a. That is the argument of our lambda function. So this is the expression, single expression that we can have for a lambda function. This is nothing else but a hypothetical expression. It will be evaluated and after evaluation it will be returned back and printed here. Let me execute the program. Control Shift F10. This is the output 100. You can retry the program by passing different sets of values. Let me pass 90 now. Var 90. Again, let me explain. Okay. Var is equal to sample2. This is the definition of the function, right? Simple function, sample. It's a simple function. When we would write var is equal to sample2, we are assigning the calling to the function, to the variable var. Now this 2 value will go to this formal parameter of sample function num. But when I will call sample through the variable name var, this value 90 or whatever is this value will go into the argument of the lambda function, which is being used in the body of the function sample, and I am using it in the return statement. So Control Shift F10. And result of this hypothetical expression now this time over is 230. Thank you.